Hi everyone, I am Robin Dudley Howes, the Artsy Bohemian, and I am here to talk to you about a new class that I have called To Die For. I've never taught this class before, and it's a class about learning how to dye silk velvet, natural fibers, rayon trim, and here is a sampling of some of the yumminess that you can expect to learn how to do. It is an amazing process. It's one of those things that you do that you don't really know what the outcome is going to be, and it just makes you want to keep making more and more. So we're going to take these amazing fibers and we're going to make a beautiful journal. Here's two of them together. Don't they look great together like that? So both of these are made with the silk velvet that I dyed, which you will learn how to do as well, and the trims. We're also going to learn how to make these beautiful velvet hearts. I have one here and then one here. You're going to learn from start to finish how to make a journal, how to make the covers, how to attach the fabrics and the trims, and also how to make the signatures or the pages of the journal. You can make them as elaborate as you like or very plain. This is a great journal to have to jot down your thoughts on your art projects and give it away as a gift if you'd like. We're also going to learn how to make these beautiful snippet strips, and they're going to bind the front and the back covers together. And here is the other one. You can see there's lots of different ways to do this, but ultimately the fibers and the textiles that you're going to be dyeing can be used for jewelry, dolls, journals, of course, any kind of art piece that you would like. So I hope you join me and several other artists at the Art Connection Summit from October 7th through 11th, and I will see you there.